Hello everyone, we have a job fair going on and it is in Nagoya, Tokyo and Osaka. In Tokyo it is from Monday to Sunday and from Monday to Friday it is in Nagoya and Osaka. So if you want to get yourself registered for getting interviewed in more than 40 companies, please call this number. We have a very exciting job offer for you. There's a company and it is located in Kawaguchi City, Saitama prefecture. So the work is system operation management. That is a simple input work and maintenance work for in-house PCs as well. There's maintaining of customer data and processing address data as well. So the salary is 20 man and the timings are from 9 to 18 hours. Experience, if you have Visual Basic and Excel experience, that is a plus point. Thank you.